Good morning, everyone. We're live at 6:35 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Today's date, 1/8/2012. We're on the opening bell with Apple Computer. In pre-market, we bought Apple Computer, 1,000 shares in pre-market. How to trade pre-market. So when they gapped this up from the close in pre-market, we got in there right away, took it long up to the top. We shorted it on that first pass, got out at the 527.50 area on this red bar. This was at short. Now it's going back up and making the higher highs. And we got 19 highs and 60 lows on that opening bell trade. How to trade Apple in pre-market. We're going to get net short on the next very high. You can see right here in the market maker application, we're at 100. That means that IR is strong. You're up 1/2 delta. It's 46. It's 47 and climbing. 7.48 teenies. That's $6.59. And we're still making highs. So in pre-market, we got other shorts out there at 531.95 before it ever gets there as he runs that up. So on that 3 bar, you got a 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny, 4 teenies times 88 cents, and it's very strong on that opening bell. How to trade long in pre-market, how to get that short for the $2 and to get long back up. Now he's going to come to that 531.90 area that I talked about on this opening bell, and that will be a quick intraday short, and the stop market order will be at 532.10. That way, if he pops it up there, that's going to be the stop market if you get hit at 531.90. How to trade the opening bell long in pre-market. We ran it all the way up on the opening bell. We got a quick $2 out of the short, got a long right up here at the top, and all of this is done in 7 minutes of the opening bell on Apple Computer. The other thing I will tell you in pre-market, before the stock market opened up, is how we got that. Now we hit 531.58. We're going to come up to that 531.90 with another blast and a stop market at 532.10. If the stop market gets triggered, then we're going to take a look at the upper end of that delta, and we'll be taking a look at 533.75 area if we get up there. This is trading the opening bell pre-market. Went long to the top, hit the short, got long once we covered the short, automated script, high frequencies in play, how to trade Apple Computer on the opening bell, lots of money making. So here we are. That's a 3 minute, that's a 6 minute, that's a 9 minute. Now, how to trade pre-market and how to trade the opening bell and how to square when that opening bell goes off in the actual ranges. It's narrow range from the close. It's 4.93, but we already got a dollar pullback right here. That's where that resistance level is. There's that diamond reversal. He's still strong at 83 IR. Let us not forget that he went up a 1/2 delta and he can go up 3/4. So we're going to watch that. It's at a 1/2 delta. It's at 48. Now, the low from the gap was 0.2, 3.1 teenies. So $2.75 on that open bell. That's 3 minute, 6 minute, 9 minute, 12 minute and climbing. 12 minute and climbing. And what we're looking for is where that upper end will be. And that upper end of that next short, as I said, when I get over here and I look in our market maker platform, 5/8 up is 532.71. Okay. We got, that is going to be the number right here that we hit another short at 532.71. Here we are live on Apple Computer. We got hit that short that I talked about at 531.90. We've only been open. I'm going to start to buy the cover right now. I'm buying the cover because I'm going to start taking half of that money off of the table right here. Our limit order on that first one was 531.90. They put it 3 cents below it. Now they're going to come out of half of the shares as it turns down. Let's go to the market maker platform, and we've already squared off about 6 trades. I've got the short reversal right up here at the high, and I'm making money, and I was 1 penny off of the high. Yes, I was. Now I've got another 1,000 shares across the board, and it's time for me, because these diamonds are going to hold. I bought to cover. I'm out of that. So there was 2 shorts in the morning. There was a long in the morning. Then in pre-market, we went long right around 524.50, and we walked that baby up and made about 6 points total. And now we have that morning reversal all done in 11 minutes of the opening bell. And that's what it's like to be an MMT market maker, making that money and making markets. This is not a day trading operation. This is why we give you the buying power. This is what you can look forward to. This is the kind of money you can be making. And remember, we are doing these trades right here, right now. Yes, I am covered. I'm out of that short. And when it pulls back, we're going to look at getting net long again. And for my new MMTs that know this, you can see when the IR was up there at 95, it hit 0.57 at 0.42. And this is that first secondary. So you made that top, you pulled back, but you made the next top up there where that number was. And I gave that out in pre-market. And that's what you will do. You will get those live entries and exits with me in pre-market, and you will learn how to trade that opening bell. You will ring that cash register, and you will have a smile on your face with profits.